Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niobe Monroe, for those of you who are new, and for all of my returning girlies. Hi amigas, I miss you guys so much, and today we're going to be doing a body brushing routine. So I got into body brushing like a few months back. I want to say like 4 months ago. And I just saw like it was a thing on TikTok because I'm a skincare girly. So I was like, oh, like, I want to know more about this. So I went down a rabbit hole like I usually do. I just educated myself on like what dry brushing is, why do people do it, the benefits, the tools, X, Y, and Z, the aftercare. And I decided to like take on the journey of dry brushing because I want immaculate skin for the summer. I don't know about you, but yes, the face card never declines, but like there's skin on the rest of our body, you know what I mean? So I really want to make sure that I am feeling and looking my best this summer, and I have obtained that and I love it. My skin looks amazing. My skin feels so good. I always get so many compliments on my skin. Like people are always saying how soft it is. I just wanted to share my quick routine with you guys because like it's definitely a beauty trend that I highly recommend. And by the way, like your man will definitely compliment you. Like he's gonna be like, yeah, you have really soft skin. So before we get started on this super quick and easy tutorial on dry brushing, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button, like button, and make sure you comment down below if you have any questions. Also, all the tools and products that you see will be listed down below like in every other video. All right, girlies, well, let's go ahead and get started on our dry brushing routine. All right, so before we get started on dry brushing, we do need to prepare our lymph nodes. It's important to quote unquote clear the path by stimulating our main lymph node clusters, and this ensures that there's no congestion. So starting off with your clavicle nodes, you're gonna use light pressure to press inward or gently pump your fingertips and breathe deeply, and do this for about 10 seconds 10 times. Then we're gonna move to our neck lymph nodes, and you're gonna use your fingers to gently tap or massage just under your ears and down the sides of your neck. Now we're gonna focus on our underarms, and you're gonna raise your arms and use soft circular motions or light taps in the underarm area. Go ahead and repeat this on both sides for a few seconds. You're also going to do this to your belly. So as you can see, I am doing the same motions, a J motion, and I'm pressing it into the upper part of my stomach. Take your time with this. I do focus on this area a lot more than the others. Then you're going to go ahead and move to the groin area. Again, use that same J motion along your bikini line, and just be very gentle and circular about your technique. Now we are ready to start our dry brushing. Make sure you start off using a natural bristle brush. This will make things a lot easier, and you will get a lot of circulation flowing with the right brush. I'll make sure to link this brush down below, by the way. So when you're dry brushing, I want you to use gentle pressure. Do not scrub. Use a light and medium pressure, especially if you're new to it or have sensitive skin. Your skin should be pink, not red or irritated when you're done. As you can see, you want to brush in an upward or circular motion, especially for your arms and legs. Use long strokes. For your joints and stomach, use circular motions. There are so many reasons why you should dry brush your skin. It exfoliates dead skin, revealing softer, smoother skin instantly, and helps prevent ingrowns, which is huge. I'm a girly who does experience ingrowns from time to time, and I have seen them improve as I started this dry brushing technique, especially in certain areas like my groin area, that bikini line. This helps a lot. It also boosts circulation, so it stimulates blood flow and may temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite by plumping your skin. Your skin is gonna look so good, baby soft, and just so plump after you're done. It also supports the lymphatic drainage, so it helps encourage detoxification by stimulating the lymphatic system to flush out waste and toxins. It also increases energy, so you'll have like this tingly, refreshed feeling afterwards. That's your body waking itself up, and it can be very energizing, and it's a great ritual to start your day. I highly recommend this. I actually really like to do this after a workout. I'll do this at least 2 to 3 times a week. Mainly, like, I want to say 2 times a week. And I love doing this after I work out just because it just wakes up my skin. It feels really good. Another reason why I really enjoy dry brushing is because it improves product absorption. With all the dead skin removed off your body, your lotions and serums can penetrate deeper and work more effectively in your favor. So again, you want to be consistent. Aim to dry brush at least 2 to 3 times a week. I like to follow up with a moisturizer and a good lotion after, and I lather my skin after a shower. All right, loves. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my first dry brushing routine. Let me know how your journey goes. Save this video, send it out, share it, tag a friend. Let me know how your skin feels after a month of doing this. Mind you, I do recommend doing this at least once a week. You will definitely see a big difference in your skin. Once you start doing it once a week after like a month, then I would say bump it up a little bit to 2 times a week. But you do want to be gentle on your skin when doing this. You don't want to just be drastic with it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll talk to you girlies very soon. Bye.